Yep, already on D. What would you look at that?
She wanna woo nigga, she wanna fight with the woo.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I will be showing you guys a full get ready with me. Today's video is sponsored by Reshine Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. And they sent me this unit that I'm currently really freaking in love with. Me encanta. I really like it. So if you guys want to see how I installed this unit and also how I got this makeup look, then keep on watching. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And let's get into the video. Okay, so we're going to start off with my hair. Today's hair is from Reshine Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. It comes in a bag like this. So it is a water wave 16 inches 150 density. This is the wig. I've been dying to do short hair for a minute now, so it just came in perfect. Okay, I already bleached the knots on the wig. I think I kind of over processed them, but it's alright. So I already bleached the knots. I haven't even tried the wig on, and my hair is just in a slick back little like bun. It's kind of wet, but you know. Yeah, if you guys want to know how I bleach my wigs, like the knots on my wigs and stuff like that, I already have a video on that, so I'll link it up here somewhere so you guys can go check that out. It's still the same process, same product, everything. So I'm just gonna put it on, and I'm probably just gonna speed up the process so you guys can just see. You guys have seen this multiple times before, but yeah, so I hope you guys just enjoy watching me put on this hair. For my eyeshadow, I'm using a combination of a contour palette from Morphe. It looks like this. This is the Morphe Highlighter Contour Palette 8H. And this is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette. So I'm going to start with the color Cinnamon. It's this color right here. My light battery is running out, so I hope that I'm done. I hope that I make it through this video before my light just completely shuts off. So I'm going to take the shade Patchouli. I don't really know Patchouli, this one right here. And I'm going to put that in the center of my lid. Actually, I'm going to put it all over, like from the inner corners to the center. I'm going to use that as a base for my next color. I have no idea how this is going to look. Like, I'm probably going to end up looking cray. Okay, so now that it looks messy like this, I'm just going to take the blending brush, the first brush that I used. I'm just going to blend it out so I don't have any harsh lines. I want to add a pop of color, and I want to add blue. So I'm going to take, it's not going to be blue, it's going to be like a mint color. I'm going to go with the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm going to take this shade right here. And I'm going to put that in the inner section of my eye. I'm just taking the same brush. I'm just blending out the harsh lines from the blue color or the mint. So now I'm going to take my Sigma liner. This is a super duper black liner. It's in the color Wicked. So now I'm going to put this Good Molecule Silicone Free Priming Moisturizer on my face. Now I'm just going to take and put some MAC Pro Longwear Concealer underneath my eyes. This is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F13. And I'm just going to put that where I didn't put concealer. And I'm literally just taking like a small amount. I'm not putting a lot at all. I'm going to take a flat kabuki brush. This is the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. I'm just going to blend out that foundation that I put on. So I'm going to take my handy dandy brush. This is my favorite brush to blend out concealer, and it's actually a eyeshadow blending brush. This is from Luxie, and this is the large eye blending 250. It is from a specific collection. I just do not remember the name of the collection, but if I can find it, I'll put the link of this brush down below. So I do this in circular motions. So now that I've blended out my concealer, I'm going to go ahead and set it with my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. So I'm just going to set it with the same brush. We're going to go ahead and bronze my face. As you guys know, this has been my go-to. This is the Makeup Revolution Splendor Ultra Matte Bronzer in the shade medium. That's my shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and bronze my face. Try not to OD. Yeah, I don't really know how to not OD with bronzer. Yep, already OD. What would you look at that? So I'm also going to contour my nose with the same bronzer. Actually, now that I remember, I wasn't even going to use that. I was actually going to use the Morphe highlighting contour palette that I had in my hands earlier. Now it's too late. I forgot. I'm going to finish off my eyes, put on lashes. So for my eyes, what I'm missing is just the blue on the bottom lash line. So I'm just going to take a little bit of the, and I'm just tapping the color, try to make least amount of mess. So I'm gonna go ahead, put my lashes on, I'm gonna do my inner flick, and then I'll be back to finish off my face. Okay. So I put my lashes on. These are the Bossy lashes from Savage. I will link them down below. I can talk. I will link them down below in the description bar. So now I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix setting spray, and I'm just gonna put that, spray that all over my face. So I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amazing collab highlighter to put that on the higher points of my face. I'm just tapping it on first because my face is still wet, so you don't want to drag it. You can risk dragging everything that's underneath, like every other product on your face, and you don't want that. Of course, my light is dying right before I'm finishing up this video, but I'm just going to line my lips with Chestnut from MAC, and then I'm going to use the Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Noble. I'm done. I'm finished, and this is what it is. The hair is fully dry now, and I really like. I'm looking at the monitor, so I'm sorry if I'm looking a lot. But yeah, but my monitor is over there. I think this is kind of the length that I wanted for the wig when I said I wanted a short curly wig. So that's why I kind of got it longer so I could cut it and all that stuff. But hear me out now. When I do like this, it doesn't look bad either, now that it's dry. When it was wet, I didn't like it. At this length, it was like an awkward length. But right now, I actually really like how it looks. So I think I'm gonna keep it. This length for a little bit, and then maybe I'll get Sister Happy and I'll cut it. But for now, I'm really liking this look, and I'm probably just gonna rock this length for a minute. At least for a little bit. So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What y'all think about this hair though? Y'all like the length? Y'all like the texture? I do feel like you can see this a little bit too much, but that's because I kind of cleaned my forehead a little bit too much with alcohol. So it just feels like my makeup don't want to stick there. But I promise y'all, in real life, it doesn't look that bad, okay? So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Espero que les haya gustado, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh wait, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!